Mommy said what?
Her mom just said so.
What'd she say?
Her mom just said so.
What did Rico's mom say?
He can't come out.
Can you fix your hair, please? Thank you, dear. Oh, he can't come out and play. That's too bad. How's that make you feel?
Sad.
Well, we got toys at the house. You don't. You'll see him at school tomorrow, right? And you're gonna go to see Miss Leon tomorrow? Your teacher? Yeah! Right?
I'll finish some game.
What?
I'll finish some game.
What's the name of it?
I don't know.
How do you play the game?
I don't know.
You want her to teach you a new game? Do you play games at school?
No, I don't know.
What kind of game?
I don't know.
You want a Hertz donut?
Huh?
Do you want a Hertz donut?
Donut?
A Hertz donut.
No.
Want a knuckle sandwich?
No.
You want a hug?
Uh-uh.
No hugs? Who are you? Can I have a hug? Oh, thank you. Thank you for the hug. Love it. Beautiful. Say hi, Grandma.
Where is she?
I don't know. You miss Grandma?
Yes.
Yeah? You miss Grandpa?
Yes.
You miss Daddy? Yeah. What do you want for Christmas?
Barbie.
Barbie? Don't you have like 100 Barbies already?
I don't know.
What else do you want?
I want a kitty.
A kitty? A real kitty?
Yeah.
Ah, that's not gonna happen.
No, what the other one poops.
A kitty that poops? I don't know. What's the name of that kitty?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. It's named Bobo?
Yes.
What else do you want?
I want a toy kitty.
A toy kitty?
Uh-huh.
What, does the toy kitty make any sounds?
Yes.
What kind of sounds?
Sweet sounds.
I don't remember. Show. What? Meow. Okay. What else do you want for Christmas?
A doggy.
Not a real doggy. A toy dog? Uh-huh.
It's nice.
Yeah, I know. What else do you want for Christmas?
A Barbie.
We already went over the Barbie thing. So you want a Barbie, a toy kitty, and a toy doggy. And what else?
Just toys.
Toys? What kind of toys?
Barbie.
No. Let's try something else.
I want we to go outside.
No, we gotta go. You want a football for Christmas?
Yes.
You want ballerina shoes for Christmas?
Yes.
You want movies for Christmas?
Movies.
Movies.
Movies. Movies.
I don't know. What kind of movies do you want? Huh?
Christmas movies.
Christmas movies? Okay. And what else?
I like to go outside.
Ow! Stop! do this? Ow. Ow.